Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today we are going to take a tour of this beautiful community, which is called Grand Trails. Now, this is a very small community and there's only one builder in this entire community, and that builder is Meritage Homes. Now, the good thing about being in a small community, which means your HOA fees are going to be less. The HOA fees in this community is $495 a year. The tax rate is very low at 2.79. Now, this home behind me is the Callaghan, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-4-bath home. The listing price is around $380,000. Now, most builders have it, if you use their lender, then they will give you some sort of incentives. This builder is giving you up to $40,000 off of the sales price if you use their lender. So we're going to go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful home behind me, but before that I'm going to take a quick drive around the neighborhood so you could get a feel of what it feels like coming home to this community of Grand Trails. Oh, by the way, I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Now remember, to be notified of additional new home tours, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell so you'll be the first to view these homes with me. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a quick view of this community. I am back. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this community and also this beautiful home built by Meritage. Now remember, if you have any questions, please leave a comment simply below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new videos. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.